Thanks for joining us once again. My name is Roel Williams. I'm the Sales and Solutions Engineer here at RC Corner. Today we're joined with Mr. Ahmad, who is here helping us look at one of our solutions. So what we're actually looking at over here is an external router and antenna system that should be able to help people in areas where there's not really so much of infrastructure for cellular connections. So Ahmad, thanks for joining us. Can you give us a little more information on what we're working with and how this would help us in the future?
Thanks, Roel, for having us here. So I'm Ahmad from Amlico Middle East. We are here with our partner RC Corner to integrate our 5G solution with their drone solution for different use case or for different sector. So what we are doing here with RC Corner, we have our 5G router and we have external antenna. So the idea that we integrate our 5G router with the drone solution where there is no wired infrastructure, MPLS infrastructure or fiber connectivity to where the area. So this is where our solution help the end user to have the drone solution without any concern about the connectivity. So the solution will be end-to-end, depends on the cellular connectivity. So the idea, we have the 5G connectivity, the 5G router to provide the 5G connectivity, and we have the external antenna where there is a challenge for the signal or receiving the signal from the base station. So I will leave it more for Roland to take us with the setup.
All right, thank you so much, Ahmad. So the whole concept we're trying to go forward here is where you have places where there's not really so much of an infrastructure. Let's talk about areas in the outskirts, in developing areas, for example, where we do want to implement the technology and go forward with it, but the limitation is the network connectivity. So this sort of solution is going to help us bridge that gap so that our end users can go through with their operations flawlessly, reliably, and successfully. So, Ahmad, can you tell us more about the high gain antenna we have over here?
So we have here with us 5G antenna. It's 4x4 antenna. It's from Panorama. It's from a UK manufacturer.
And now we're coming over back here to the router system. Ahmad, can you tell us a bit more about the router? We've already learned a bit more about the high gain antenna. What about this sort of router and other possible variants of this?
So we have our 5G router. It's R1900 from Mercadal Point. This router is industrial 5G router with Wi-Fi 6 capability, and also it can provide internet connection, or even if it's a private network, can provide connection over the Ethernet for the LAN network. So here we are integrating our 5G router with the LAN network of the drone, and we have also providing a Wi-Fi connection for around devices who's controlling the drone, who's getting data from the drone and transmitting the data to the data center. So our 5G router here is a rugged router providing a stable connectivity. We tested here with our partner RC Corner, and we had a good result, stable connection, and this is what we are going to introduce with our partner RC Corner to end user, that where you have no fiber connection, we have a solution set of full cellular connection, end-to-end external antenna and 5G router that help you to have your connectivity everywhere, wherever you want, stable and good connection and rugged connection. Now I will allow my friend Roland to take us how we integrate our 5G router to the drone and how we got the connection, how the result was.
Thanks so much, Ahmad. Let's get started with the Dock 3. Over here, we got the DJI Dock 3, very well known as DJI's drone-in-a-box solution for completely autonomous operations. Dock 3 is over here to make sure your missions are critical, reliable, and stable. With the help of the 5G router over here, which we just tested, we've had unbelievably accurate results. No loss in packets, no loss in connections. The operation was absolutely perfect. Not a single delay, not a single second lost, no video stream interruptions, lag, nothing. Ahmad, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for being here, showcasing the solution. And do you have anything else you want to add on to the end before we head off?
Thank you so much, Roland, for having us again. And thank you, everyone. Thanks for the team here also. So we are looking forward to integrate and have a successful story together.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Ahmad.
Thank you so much.
Hayakallah.
Yeah, thank you.